Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of futuristic everyday carry with AI-enhanced gadgets you'll want in your life. Whether it's smarter home controls, advanced tracking, or immersive audio, these gadgets are taking EDC to the next level. Let's get started. This compact smart speaker does more than just play your favorite tunes. The Echo Pop brings full, clear sound to small spaces, perfect for a bedside table or office corner. Control your music with Alexa, streaming from platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, or Amazon Music. But it doesn't stop there. Make any space smart, control smart plugs, lights, and even set reminders or alarms, all with just your voice. And privacy? No worries. The Echo Pop's built with multiple layers of privacy protection, including a mic off button. With its 5.5-inch display, the Echo Show 5 can do more than ever. Stream music, shows, and podcasts, or use the camera to check in on your home when you're away. You can even set it up as a digital photo frame displaying your favorite memories. Control your smart devices, make video calls, and enjoy deeper bass and clearer sound. Plus, privacy features include a camera shutter and mic off button for added peace of mind. Never lose your keys or backpack again with the redesigned Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag 2. This little tag is IP67 rated for water and dust resistance and offers up to 500 days of battery life. Use the SmartThings app to track your item and even switch to Compass View to pinpoint its exact location. Lost it nearby? Make the tag ring to help you find it fast. Protect your Rabbit R1 AI device with these ultra-clear, scratch-resistant screen protectors. They're only 0.3mm thick, ensuring your touchscreen sensitivity remains intact while guarding against scratches and smudges. Plus, installation is a breeze. Need crystal clear audio for meetings? The EMEET M0 Plus speakerphone, powered by a 4-mic array and advanced AI, delivers superb 360-degree sound pickup and noise cancellation. It's perfect for Zoom, Teams, or Skype calls. Plus, link 2 units for larger conferences and enjoy up to 10 hours of battery life, ideal for all-day remote work. This gadget is your car's best friend. The wireless Apple Carplay screen connects to your phone, giving you voice-controlled navigation, music, and even email. The 4K front camera records your drive in stunning detail, while the 1080p backup camera makes parking easier. With built-in collision detection and parking monitor functions, your car is safer than ever. These RAYNEO Air 2's glasses redefine AR. With quad-speaker audio, crystal-clear displays, and a 120Hz refresh rate, you'll experience immersive gaming, movies, and more. They're super lightweight and designed for all-day comfort. Plus, they're 2V certified to reduce blue light, making them ideal for extended use. Recording and transcribing just got smarter with the Plod Note AI voice recorder. It captures audio with dual-mode precision and uses advanced transcription technology to convert speech into text in over 112 languages. It's sleek, portable, and offers 30 hours of continuous recording. And with built-in cloud storage, managing and sharing your files has never been easier. These futuristic earbuds bring more than just music. With powerful 11mm drivers and adaptive noise cancellation, the Nothing Ear delivers deep bass and clear vocals. Switch between devices seamlessly and enjoy up to 42.5 hours of playtime with the case. And here's the game changer: ChatGPT integration. Ask questions, get quick answers, or even search the web using your voice right from the earbuds. There you have it, 9 AI-enhanced EDC gadgets that are changing the game in 2025. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome gadget reviews. See you in the next video.